Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fight again blackheads. In this case, these are blackheads on top of my nose. So, first step, you have to clean the face, especially the nose, and put a hot towel on it about 10 minutes. After this, you're going to apply appropriate amount of your blackhead mask cream to the blackheads pores. Of course, you have to avoid eyes, lips, and eyebrows. So as you can see, there is a brush. It's easily with a brush. You can use your fingertips too, but it's a little bit of a cleaner with a brush. So we are going to use a brush for this, and as you can see, it's dark black mask. Ooh, this is scary. Ooh, like Black Death. Ooh, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, let's take another dip of this black mask liquid, and you have to take it on top of your nose. You can use this all of your skin, but do not use it on eyes, lips, and eyebrows. Brows. Now the nose has the surface of the black mask, and now we have to rest a little bit, chill out, wait for the mask dry out about 20 until 30 minutes approach. Yeah, it looks nice. Cool guy, yeah. Now let's have a rest. Chill a little bit with your black nose day. Now move your skin a little bit. Make some funny things with your skin. Yeah. And as you can see, the black mask is ready to remove. Yeah, go and gently peel it off the mask from the bottom to the top, and easy going. And then clean the skin with water. Finally continue with your normal skin routine. And there it is. Oh, so many blackheads, which blackheads are not black now because they are yellow inside. And as you can see, it worked easily, and you can continue with this twice a week. Nice, good, and easy. And it's not so uncomfortable. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Sexy. You're a nice guy. Soon. You're so beautiful without blackheads.